I'm Lamar Pitts, and this is my dad, Greg Pitts. We go all around the world covering community service, places to go, places to shop, places to eat, not to mention we record our lives on a daily basis. So to see our perception of the 21st century, join us in Lamar Pitts TV.
Stay tuned for more. Good afternoon, everybody. This is your boy, producer Greg Pitts, on this Monday afternoon for President's Day. Now, we're here in Miami. Someone just alerted me that they were having the boat show here in Miami. Now, I didn't get free tickets this time. We're not gonna worry about it. So they're gonna be here today until
6.
6. They'll be here from February the 17th through the 20th, which means they've already been here. We just found out about it. So we're gonna go in for a couple hours, check it out. I don't know if they'll let us tape any of these nice yachts and boats they have, but we'll see. Again, producer Greg Pitts, Lamar Pitts TV, on this Monday afternoon in Miami at the International Boat Show. Let's go. Oh, you get that? Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
get your
wow.
bag. We're going to get us a bag.
A nice bag, Progressive.
Progressive. Shouts out to Progressive
Flo,
Insurance.
we love you, Flo.
Shouts out to you guys. We love your commercials. And you know what? At Lamar Pitts TV, being that I'm a producer, Progressive, give me a call. I would love to do a commercial for you guys. And you know what? I only want $2.
Wow. Oh, this is at the convention center.
Yeah.
Oh.
All beef. Would you like an all beef hot dog, mate?
I'm sorry, I don't do hot dogs.
Okay, well, I am. Okay, now we're in the line.
All beef.
All beef. Hopefully it's not more than a couple bucks. Let's see what happens.
We'll see, we'll see.
Three hot dogs
Okay, this is the display. You want it hot? And you want it cold? Okay.
Oh no. It seems, that's one thing about, coming to these events and, you ordering food and everything, you're so relaxed. They're not really in a rush to serve you. You know what I mean? They just take their time and they laid back. I remember back in the day when somebody came, it was like snap, 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 get them in and out. Customer service was paramount at that time. Now it's like, whatever. Either you wait or you don't get anything. I choose to wait. So we're going to keep the camera rolling. We're going to see how long it's going to take.
We're going to put a
to
timer.
Get an all beef hot dog.
How long do we have to take?
Let's see how long it's going to take. We're going to wait 1 minute and see what happens.
Starting now.
Starting now. Okay. $4 for an iced tea.
Oh, gosh.
Doesn't seem like an economy problem to me. $4 for a 16-ounce iced tea. Okay, we're here. Let's see what happens.
Oh,
we
wow.
finally made it.
Wow.
Finally made it. Okay. I like an all beef hot dog with some mustard. Let's see. How much for the hot dogs? Oh!
$4.
For what? $4. Does that have some mustard? What's the name of this restaurant? What's the name of it? Papa's? Poppy's. Papa's. Thank you, ladies. Hot dog from Papa's. Let's see what happens. Puede haber cambiado una o dos cosas, pero no lo malo. for the birds.
What's up,
Oh,
Lorenzo?
wow.
Now we're here with my man Lorenzo, my friend Lorenzo.
Wow. Small world.
Pitch TV.
Small
You
world.
always see somebody you know. Say hello to
Exactly.
the camera, Lorenzo.
Hey, what's going on? Off today.
Are you off today? Okay, so we won't even say where he works at. It's no one's business. What's going on here today with you?
Just looking for a yacht.
He's looking
Oh,
for-
wow.
Oh no. No, just accessories.
Okay, he's just here looking for accessories.
Yeah.
So what one place would you highly suggest we check out, Lorenzo, while we're here? Something that we don't want to miss. We just got here.
I suggest you should check out the National Hurricane Center booth.
Oh,
Because
wow.
you have to be hurricane prepared.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
It's gonna happen.
That's right.
That's
in
right.
South Florida, hurricane.
Protect
You have to be
yourself.
prepared. That's right. Okay. And what direction is that in?
It's gonna be the very last entrance, right in front of the neon yellow Geico boat, and it's gonna be to your left.
Okay, we're headed that way again. Producer Greg Pitts, Lamar Pitts TV, speaking with Lorenzo, who gave us some very good information regarding the hurricanes here in South Florida. So
Yes.
if you're a tourist or if you plan on relocating and moving here, that's one thing that's going to be important when
Yes.
you build your house or buy your house. Make sure that they have adequate hurricane windows and all the accessories to go with it. Okay?
Yes.
See you later.
All
See you
right.
tomorrow, man. Good to see you.
See
Look
ya.
good, man.
Thanks.
If you're 6
Oh,
feet tall,
wow.
standing at sea level.
Not good. Switch Polarized. You always need polarized. The sun here in South Florida is
Crazy.
bright. So whether you wear prescriptions or not, I highly suggest if you get shades that they're polarized.
Right.
Look, we got crushable hats here. Are you the owner?
Yeah, my husband is.
What's your name?
My name is Clara.
Clara?
Cool.
Clara, look at these, man.
Wow.
You want to tell us something about these hats, Clara? I'm producer with Lamar Pitts TV. It's our internet station we have, and we love these hats. Tell us a little bit about the hats and how they're made and where they come from and that sort of stuff. Just give us about 30 seconds, Clara, please.
Okay, the hats come from Argentina.
Argentina.
Oh, South
Beautiful.
America.
Hello to all my friends in Argentina. Kisses to you.
And we just pull the string.
Okay, put
you know,
string.
that
Okay.
Fits everyone.
Mm-hmm.
And they go in your suitcase. Like
Oh,
this.
wow. So they can
wow.
crush and then they come right back out?
they come
Oh,
right
wow.
out.
Wow.
That's neat. What material is this, Clara?
Seagrass.
Seagrass.
Wow.
That is awesome. So are they unisex? Can men and women wear them, or are they just for women?
I just have one style for men.
Okay.
That you guys are easier.
Okay. This is the men's here, Clara? And how about if you have a big head like me? Do they fit? Oh! Look at this. Isn't
Wow.
this- Look at these, folks. These
Wow.
hats are absolutely beautiful. Miami
Yes.
International Boat Show with Clara with her hats from Argentina. Make sure you come by.
Cool.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you. Have a good day. All right. Goodbye.
I want to try your.
So you're going to sell a lot now. Hello, everybody. I am the man with Geico. Check us out. Click on it, and you can save money with Geico. I think it's 15%, isn't it?
15% or more on car insurance.
Minutes less.
15%, 15 minutes. Right here.
Right here. Right there.
They got little, what they got over here? They got the little,
Oh, wow. They got the Gecko. The,
Have you
yeah.
videoed the boat?
Oh, no. Oh,
what'd you say?
50-foot Mystic.
Okay, 50.
Yep, ran at 213 miles an hour.
wow.
Two helicopter engines, Chinook.
Wow.
6,000 pounds. The top speed that they've recorded is 213.
Wow.
Check it out.
We got to check it out.
C-55 Chinook helicopter, turbine 6,000 total horsepower.
Dang.
World record, Annapolis to Baltimore, 10 minutes, 31 seconds. Wow. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
And here, if we enter here, we can win one. Let's see if we can. Thank you. Welcome. Got a poster.
Let me do this.
Why don't we do you a favor? We're going to swap
You
out your
have to
progressive
change.
bag for a
You
Geico
see?
bag.
Let me see. Oh,
Let me
you
get my
have
cell
to-
phone out.
Oh, your cell phone?
I had to get my cell phone out.
Yeah, gotta get that thing out of there. We're gonna give you one of these.
What we got going on?
Backpack.
Oh, so we changing bags?
Change your bag, John. Let me see that bag right there.
Okay, he wants to see that bag right here.
There you go, sir.
Okay. See?
Now we're working.
Now we're sporting
Basically,
it.
what you're doing is here, is you're gonna enter to win this little boat. Name, email address.
Okay.
Wow.
Within a week.
You know what? I've always, as a kid, I've always wanted one of these boats, but even years ago, they were so expensive. These are the remote control ones, right?
This one down here comes with LiPo batteries, which makes it faster, obviously.
Oh, really?
Than a regular battery. They're about $500 if you're gonna buy. Huh? LiPo.
Can you see that? It's bellsoft.net. Can you see that?
That's perfect.
Okay,
That'll
cool.
work.
Wow.
Hopefully I'll win. If I
Cross
win,
your fingers. Cross your fingers.
You got an email address too?
Yeah.
Go ahead and fill that thing
you
out.
fill out one. I'll fill it out for you.
All right.
Okay. We'll fill out another one.
All right.
Win it. Okay.
We will win it.
What's your email address?
LamarPitts@bellsouth.net.
There you go, folks. We
Wow.
entered and it's official. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
All right. Sirius XM, you know we love that.
Are you serious?
Mom, watch this. Watch this out.
Look at this boat right here. I love this boat here. Look at it. It's $52,900.
Wow.
With financing, you can get this boat for $487 a month.
Wow.
So kids,
Yes.
keep that financial portfolio.
Yeah,
going.
keep it up. Keep
You know what I
it
mean?
up.
This instead of a Lamborghini all day. Look at this.
On the waves.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
Wave to the camera.
Step up the steps on this side, boy. You can see inside, man. The interior of this thing is absolutely beautiful.
You look like you could ride that boat. It looks like the boat for you.
I need to sell a lot of paintings to get this. He said he could deliver it to me by Wednesday.
Wow.
Doing good, man. Nice to meet you. Okay. Tell us a little
Wow.
bit about this beautiful quick piece of equipment we have here, Alex.
She's a 39-foot
Wow.
run style boat.
Okay.
She does 110 miles an hour with a twin staggered 700 engines in it.
Okay.
She's built real special. The interior isn't like the typical boat. It's more like Bentley style. Like
Yeah, I see
you
that.
see the floors play off of the carbon.
Yeah, it's
you know,
beautiful.
everything kind
Beautiful. I
of
love
comes
that.
together beautifully like that. Yeah.
Right.
Wow.
That's the whole thing. Everything is flush. Everything kind of pops out of the deck. You know.
Wow.
So yeah, that's pretty much.
So what is this, for something like this, what is it actually just used for? It's just like short distance trips?
Poker runs, yeah.
Poker runs.
Yeah.
What is a poker?
Yeah.
It's a bunch of people, car people do it, boat people do it, airplane people do it. It's a bunch of people get together in these types of boats.
Okay.
And they'll do a run in a straight line, like from here to Key West.
Okay.
Wow.
You know, yeah.
Okay, that is so cool.
So yeah, so that's pretty much what she's used for.
Okay.
Wow.
Where's this assembled? Where is it
Here in
manufactured?
Florida.
It's made here in Florida?
Yes, sir.
Made right
Wow.
here in Florida, United States, guys. It's a
Yeah.
beautiful piece of equipment, Alex. Real quick.
Nice meeting you guys.
Likewise, thank
Cool.
you. Yeah, give us a card. I know I can't afford that right now, but I love looking at it.
Yeah.
Never know.
One day you'll be like, oh wow, that's the boat I wanted.
Life could change extraordinarily
Absolutely.
tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's
So what does GTMM stand for?
Giovanni Teodoli Marine Manufacturing.
Okay. Here's the card.
Awesome.
All right. Thank
Got
you.
it. Take care, guys.
Heading up to the second level.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, man. Having so much fun at the boat show. Monday, President's
Yeah.
Day. I mean, in Florida, you can find something to do
Every
day.
day.
You don't have to be popping bottles. And there's so much to do. We don't even look for celebrities because we
No.
are celebrities.
Yes.
3X.
What's the super deal? No, but there's a super deal.
Yeah, I took one from
We use this all the time. We use that. Yeah, 2 years ago.
So much fun, so much to see
So many
at the boat show. One of these days, the next time you see Lamar Pitts and Greg Pitts of Lamar Pitts TV, we will be on a poker run boat. We've already made arrangements.
Yes.
We've been invited. Stay tuned. It will happen in the next few months. With that being said, that's the end of the Miami International Boat Show. Signing off, Greg Pitts, producer, Lamar Pitts TV. I hope you've enjoyed the coverage and the interviews that we had, okay? It's time for lunch. Goodbye.
Adios.
Amigos.